crazy right now. Kale. We're using our IKEA freezer bags. These ones are probably the best, and these ones are the 3-quart, 2.5 liters. There's these massive ones, if like depending on the amount of spinach and all that kind of stuff. But we're just gonna try and get away with the 2.5 instead of the 2.5. See if I can remember the recipe. So we did do 1 small banana. So with the large one, I would say that's 3/4. 3/4 of a big one. I just literally dropped one of the handle to the Vitamix. Green everywhere, blew up across the kitchen floor here, onto our rug that's like from Indonesia. It cannot be washed. It has to be like dry cleaned, or like we gotta take it to a car wash, and the thing weighs 100 pounds. So can you stop for 1 second? Just hold the other side of this, and I'm gonna show you. You know what? I shouldn't have done this either. But I'm gonna hold. I'll show you a trick. I'll show you a trick. We had a better one. Brett's gonna make a mess, and he's gonna drive me crazy, and you guys are gonna watch us fight right away. It's gonna happen. So if you go with the big ones, you just literally roll it over. Go like this, and then you just put all your mixes, and then just pull it up. It's just like that. Just grab and go. 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 But that's with the 4.5. 5-quart, 4.5 liter bag from IKEA freezer bags. So these ones stay up really well. They're really thick. So obviously Brett is gonna drive me crazy right now. Kale. You know what? Stop with the bananas. I got 3/4 right here. This show's not for kids. Okay, stop with the bananas.
2 bananas. 2.
Anyways, we got a lot of bags going on here.
It's like so bad.
And then this one. We'll do one more. I'm not. What are you talking about? I'm gonna use one of this big one because I've got to go. All right. I'm gonna use the big one to show you guys. Makes such a mess. Don't knock my drink. Is this your drink or my drink? Over on the side. So we're just gonna do 1/4 of the cucumber. Careful. We're gonna do a full apple. Squeeze in some lemon juice from half of the lemon. 2 full handfuls of kale or spinach. A 1/4 cup. Yep. 2 big ones. We're gonna do he's like whispering to me. Why are you doing that? No, doesn't matter. It's all gonna blend. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of avocado. We didn't add any blackberries, but please add a couple to taste, but you're not gonna have this vibrant green, I promise you. It's gonna turn shit brown. So cup. And I did not overfill the quarter cup. I just went to the rim. Just a tip.
Grow up, Joelle.
Grow up. Okay, avocado's done. We're just gonna start with these 5 eggs. And now from pineapple. And I did, how much? I did like a quarter cup of mango and half a cup of pineapple. So basically, go down the line. Don't be all disorganized and chaotic like us, or do.
We call it relationship building.
It's everything we do is relationship building. You'll see that. And then half a cup of pineapple. I overdid it a little bit on a couple. Who cares? Pineapple. So good. And I didn't add any ginger, but please add some ginger for that extra little bit. I'm gonna sprinkle in some ginger when we're blending, because we have it in. I'll grab it for you. Where's our ginger? Where's our ginger? Hey, where's my ginger? Ginger, ginger, ginger. Where's our ginger? I always buy too, like I always buy fresh kale and spinach, and then just take it by the chunks, throw it into a baggie, suck a layer out of it, and throw it in the freezer. I will not buy frozen spinach. That's one thing I won't do. Hey, oh, we're not done. We got an apple in each too, but I already said that.
Why don't you do something?
I'm busy. I'm going to find my ginger. No, you can't find it.
Oh, apple?
Yep, whole apple, core and all. Next time, we'll do like a really nice line. Like, not even
I'll
close.
mess that up.
In my drawers.
Your pants?
Get it.
In your pants?
Smoky. Okay guys, so easy peasy. This is gonna give you 2 cups. So if there's not 2 of you in the family that are drinking these green smoothies, then you've got literally,
Either half it or save it for later.
you got 10 days though. Yeah. I would say definitely though, I would put it in a freezer container. Like pour your glass out, pour the rest into like a freezable little Tupperware container and put it in the freezer. so it stays perfect. And then all you have to do is just let it sit. Throw it in with a couple ice cubes the next day and throw it back in your blender. Much easier than letting it sit overnight. But yeah, whatever you want to do. So in here, 2 full cups of spinach or kale, a full apple. We did Royal Gala. Then we did 3/4 of a large banana or a full small banana. We did a 1/4 cup of avocado. We did a 1/4 cup of mango, 1/2 cup of pineapple, 1/2 a lemon, 1 baby cucumber or a 1/4 of a full one, and 1/2 of a lemon, squeezed lemon juice in here. About 1/2 a cup of water, maybe 3/4 cup of water. Throw it in your Vitamix or a really good blender because we put 4 in all of our stuff, and you have the perfect green smoothie. Hope you guys love it. I'll share a picture of our finished product and put the recipe also down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching another episode on my YouTube channel, guys. Have a great day. Bye.
Watch our shit show.
We're out.